Hi, Michael.
What's up?
How you doing?
Sitting here on the side of the freeway.
Why are you sitting on the side of the freeway?
Because your truck broke down. What up, dog? Number 2, no longer.
So, what are you gonna do about it?
What?
What are you gonna do about it?
Oh, we should call a tow truck and get it off the highway.
You got money to pay for that?
No, you do. You're the $1 million Mexican.
Really? I should just write him a check.
Nah, you should pay him slowly.
Oh, jeez. Oh, here. You wanna record my little fucking spill? March 27th. 2 days after my daughter's second birthday. 1 day after Tragedy's Dark Side of the Moon album release date. We sit here on the side of the freeway over on Highway 26, right next to the Chute Road, Helvetia Road exit ramp. I think my taco truck's done. It's had a solid run of 2 years or so with me and my wife. And apparently it has given all it's got. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do, because I don't got money to pay no tow truck to come get my taco truck. As a matter of fact, I think I got about $9 in my pocket, cash. So I sit here contemplating the options. One, shoot myself in the mouth. Two, shoot Tater in the mouth. We still got that gas tank in the back?
Yeah.
3, blow up Mike. Considering that since he started on this venture with me, he is pretty much in one way or another broke one thing on everything, every single item I own. I figure since the taco truck is now broke, it's probably his fault too. No? That's not you?
No. You're the one driving it this time.
Anyways, depression sets in. And after depression, aggression. I'm angry, I'm sad, I'm scared. I don't know what in the world I'm gonna do, but I thought I'd just set it on video so that at a later date I can sit there and pout and maybe even laugh about it.